All right, we're gonna show y'all a basic turn in Cowboy Cha-Cha. You'll start off in Cha-Cha hold and start off with a rock step. Just a basic Cha-Cha. When you come back up, guys, you're gonna rock step on your right, and whichever side your partner is on, you're gonna let go with the outside hand. So my partner's on my right, I'm gonna drop the right. She was on my left, I drop the left. And we're gonna do the same thing as the direction turn. We're gonna do a sideways Cha-Cha, but we're gonna spin our partner 1.5 times. So as we're coming back, do Cha-Cha and catch. You'll also notice that to end the spin, I put my forearm back down so my partner hits my arm and doesn't keep spinning. That's the way I let her know it's the move is done. We'll show you all from a few different angles so you can see.